What the renovation brings to Shawnee County is more events at the Kansas Expo Center, more entertainment options for our community members at the Expo Center. That means reduced operating subsidies at the Kansas Expo Center, and that means more tax dollars staying in the county. One of the most exciting developments in the renovation project is that focus on the patron experience. Some of the pieces that are going in with the craft beer gardens and the expanded food and beverage opportunities are things that are really exciting, like the end zone bar. You can order a cocktail or a beer or maybe a small bite to eat and never miss a beat of the action. You have every play of every hockey game. You'll never miss your favorite song at any of the concerts that you come to. You'll be able to see everything while enjoying what the Expo Center has to offer. Obviously we're always going to have competition from an entertainment standpoint with, Kansas City, but we want to give them a facility that rivals that of our competition and gives them all of those experiential pieces that they haven't had before. What we really wanted to focus on was how do we join or marry together the exhibition hall and land and arena. One thing that we focused on was the expansion of the Northeast Entry Corridor, which will take that expansion of the building out towards the east. We'll have escalators and stairwells that are all indoors. You'll come inside to the Sky Zone box office and get your tickets, go up an escalator set, and end up right on the concourse right near the end zone bar and be able to start enjoying your fun at the event. Over the last 16 months, we've been able to realize an actual cost savings to Shawnee County taxpayers in excess of $806,000. That's nearly $1 million of saved taxpayer money that can go back out into the community in other tax-funded programs. When we expand out Exhibition Hall, that's going to add about another 30 to 35,000 square feet of usable space. With the expansion and gaining that additional square footprint at the facility, we're going to be able to attract those events and hopefully bring those events here to Topeka and Shawnee County. We will be developing and building out 3 additional suites as well as renovating the current one that we have. Premium seating atmosphere has been something that's been lacking in the facility for a very long time, so bringing that back into the renovation was something that was very exciting for us as well. A lot of the events that we'll be able to attract are larger scale sporting events. So NAIA sports, NCAA sports, a lot of the focus will continue to grow around the concert sector. We can also focus on family shows and spectacle events like Cirque du Soleil or Disney on Ice or any of those types of family shows that really create a full family entertainment atmosphere. It's going to be a facility that brings life into the community. It's going to give them a reason to stay in Topeka. It's going to be something to be proud of.